Prestige Window Film by 3M, you can let in the light but keep out the heat. While we enjoy the beauty of natural light in our homes and offices, the simple truth is the sun can cause damage and fading to our floors and furnishings. Prestige Window Film by 3M is a virtually clear window film that blocks 99.9% of ultraviolet rays and up to 66% of the solar heat without changing the appearance of the windows to which it is applied. Since 1989, Fletch Window Tint has installed nearly 3 million square feet of window film to homes and commercial buildings in and around San Antonio. Fletch Window Tint is a nationally recognized company named by 3M as the 2019 New Prestige Dealer of the Year. While windows can help make your home beautiful, the sunlight can expose your interiors to excessive heat and damaging UV rays. With Prestige Window Film, you can let in the light but keep out the heat without changing your home's aesthetics or your view. Commercial spaces such as Lackland Air Force Base, Bexar County Archives Building, and the University of Texas have benefited by the installation of 3M window film. By controlling the sun, Prestige Window Film reduces heat buildup, cuts distracting glare, and can help lower your energy costs. Owners of historical homes can especially benefit from Prestige Window Film.
We've lived in the house for a year. We purchased it last August. How old the home was part of the reason why we chose to do the window film. We have these huge windows and it lets in a lot of natural light, and we refinished the hardwoods and didn't want to have any fading. We chose the Prestige 50 because of the way that it would protect our floors. You know, it's one of those things that you go into and think it's going to be worth the investment, but you're not really sure how it's going to turn out. I can actually honestly say so far we've had no fading on our floors at all, and that's with full sunlight every morning.
Prestige Window Film is a clear alternative to blinds and unsightly window inserts. Completely clear, Prestige Window Film protects your floors without sacrificing the architectural integrity of your home or building. Our film works all day long to prevent fading. As your authorized 3M Prestige Window Film dealer, we are your local experts in protecting your residential or commercial interiors with Prestige Window Film by 3M. Visit www.fletchwindowtint.com or call us at 210-669-2940. Contact us today.